It's a beautiful morning out here. It's beautiful sunrise. Never mind the moose cat there. Beautiful day for a hike at Eagle River Nature Center. It's way too cold to go too far today. It's a negative 22 degrees out here. And with it being this cold, it's going to kill the battery pretty quickly. So I'm not going to be able to film too much. Yeah, this is the view looking west with the sunrise behind us. Sun still doesn't come up over the mountains yet. And Hoar Frost. When the temperature drops below 0 degrees out here, you'll see this out here. What happens is, when it gets really cold for too long, after a while the frosting doesn't really melt or thaw off. Instead it just keeps building and building and building. Okay, gotta switch hands here. Even with the gloves on, my hands are still getting pretty cold. Alright, that should be enough for this video. It's probably about all I'm gonna get. Can't hang out here for too long. Alright, I'll catch you all later.